Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. For this unboxing I have a USB flash drive made by Silicone Power. It's a 32GB dual USB. One end is USB Type C, the other one is a USB Type A, USB 3.0. I think this flash drive looks really cool, and you can use it with your phone if it has a Type C, as well as your computer if it has a Type A or a Type C. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we get inside. Before we unbox it, of course, let's take a closer look at the packaging itself, and there really is not much to look at here. You get your title, the model, the capacity, the main features listed here, and on the back you get specifications and the usual regulatory information. So there is not much else to look at here. Okay, so I'm not going to be very ceremonious. I'll just rip this open. It's not very nice looking, but it's an effective way to unpack a product. So there we go. There's another barcode here, or QR code. Okay, so this is the flash drive itself, nothing else. Okay, so this is all that's left from packaging. We don't need this. Okay, so here is the flash drive itself. Let me take it out of this plastic, which is kind of hard. Alright, I finally got it out. It was lodged in there pretty well. Okay, so this is the flash drive, and it looks very cool. This is all, of course, metal, and this is the USB Type C end of the flash drive. Let me try to turn it around to Type A. So this is the Type A end. I think it looks very cool. Let me show it to you from all angles. As you can already probably see, it attracts fingerprints pretty quickly, but for me that really is not a problem. This is going to be on my keys, this flash drive, and this mechanism is pretty loose here, as you can see, but I think it's still pretty snug. What's this? No, I thought that was a defect or something. But anyway, once you turn it, it kind of snaps into the position and it stays there. And there is a little bit of a give here, as you can see. It moves, but I think that's absolutely fine. And this is what it looks like. So this is the actual flash drive. Here's a look. It looks pretty sturdy, and it doesn't look like it's gonna fall apart pretty quickly. I think it looks pretty good, and certainly feels like it's a good quality flash drive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some benchmarks on this thing, and I'll include the screenshots probably right now, or maybe in the description of the video somewhere. But really, I mean, there's not much else to really talk about this flash drive other than show it to you up close. This is what it looks like. Actually, let me get my laptop and show you how it looks with that Type A port. Unfortunately, I don't have anything with a Type C right now, so I'll be right back and I'll show it to you. Alright, I got my laptop with USB Type A connection here, and here's the flash drive. So really, there is no magic here. If you've seen a USB before, you know how this works. And this is what it looks like when connected. You can't put this to the side, because if you do, it's gonna end up pushing the USB out, as you can see here. So it's gonna have to stay like this. So let me push it back in, or at least like this. So that's it. Let me show you some comparisons with other USB flash drives now. So here's a comparison with my other flash drives. This is Integral Courier, the 16GB model. These are actually quite popular, as I've seen quite a few people carrying this around. So if you have one of this, you can see how it compares in size right here. So the silicon powered flash drive is smaller, as you can see. The other flash drive is Integral Fusion, and it's very small, as you can see. However, if we turn this sideways, you'll see that the silicon power, the flash drive part itself, is actually not that much bigger than the integral, except it has USB Type-C on the other end. And of course, since it's a standard USB, they are the same thickness as well. Alright folks, so this has been an unboxing of C80 by Silicone Power. It's a very nice flash drive. I like it, and I think I'm gonna use it quite a lot. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask me. I'll be glad to answer any questions you might have about this. I actually forgot to mention that this flash drive has, as you probably realized by now, no lights to indicate that it's on or its activity. So that's pretty much it then. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.